Welcome to our channel Drushya Sinchana. In this video, we're showing you a tasty and easy recipe, Pudina chutney, also known as mint chutney. In India, Pudina chutney is commonly served with South Indian dishes like idli, dosa, chapati, rice bath, and even plain white rice. But did you know, this refreshing, spicy chutney also pairs beautifully with some classic Aussie vegetarian dishes? You can enjoy it with zucchini slice, roast veggies, corn fritters, veggie pies, or even with grilled halloumi and salad wraps. It adds a bold, herby punch that livens up just about anything. Let's look at what ingredients you'll need. 1 bunch of mint leaves, properly washed. A few curry leaves and coriander leaves, also washed. 3 green chilies, salt to taste, 1 spoon of urad dal, and half a spoon of cumin seeds. 1 medium onion, chopped. 1 spoon of tamarind, soaked or added as is. 1 cup of grated coconut. 1 spoon of ginger and garlic paste or chopped pieces. Now let's see how to prepare it. Heat a spoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add urad dal and cumin seeds and sauté until the dal turns golden red. Then add the chopped onion, green chilies, ginger, and garlic. Fry until the onions are soft and cooked. You can skip garlic if you prefer. Add the curry leaves, coriander leaves, and finally the mint leaves. Fry everything until the leaves wilt and the raw smell fades away. Switch off the heat and let the mixture cool completely. Transfer it to a blender or mixer. Add the grated coconut, soaked tamarind, and salt to taste. Optionally, you can add a little jaggery for sweetness. Add just a bit of water and blend into a smooth chutney, not too runny, not too thick. Now your chutney is ready. To make it even better, you can add vogharan, also known as Indian tempering or seasoning. It's a quick mix of oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and sometimes dried chilies. Just heat and pour it over the chutney for an extra burst of flavor. This chutney keeps well in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to learn how to prepare vogharan or Indian-style tempering. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Cheers, and thanks for watching.